learning from various things around us. Kindergarten is the first step of the education's ladder.
Today, we feel immensely happy and proud at the same time that we have gathered here to congratulate these little wonders on their graduation day.
Yes, indeed, and without further ado, let us move on to the ceremony.
Yes, our tiny tots are waiting to receive their certificates wearing cute little caps and gowns.
Today is a big day to think of how far flung we have come. Along with multifarious struggles and triumphs, there is much more to show. Let us rejoice the majestic journey.
Let us begin the graduation ceremony. I welcome our chief guest, Mr. Majid Ideal, to hand over the certificate for our graduates.
She is the owner of a cuckoo voice and the winner of Action Song English in the Papillons 19. Let's welcome Aisha Hanan of UKGA onto the stage for receiving her certificates.
Everyone, please give a big round of applause for the graduates of Floria International Senior Secondary School. It's Aisha Hanan receiving a certificate.
Audience, please put your hands together for our little graduate, Aisha Hanan. The smallest but cutest girl of UKGA, she is one of the energetic and active performer in the classroom. Next, we have Alna on the stage to receive her certificates. Here comes the sports champion of UKG section. Yes, that is Amin. He has a sportsman spirit and showed excellent performance in the KG sports meet. Let's welcome Amin onto the stage for receiving his certificates. Here comes our little and cute angel of our school. Yes, it is Angeline Lalu on the stage to receive the certificates. Angeline Lalu on the stage.
Congratulations.
The smallest and cutest boy of UKGA, here comes Akhil Shan Muhammad of UKGA on the stage to receive his certificates. A boy with a calm mind but excellent in his academics. Yes, that is Ihan Bakar on the stage to receive his certificates. Fatima Mehra of UKGA. Yes, she is a girl who always displays an enthusiasm for learning.
Audience, please put your hands together for the graduates.
Here comes Fatima Shafa of UKGA. Listens and follows the direction well.
Congratulations to the graduates.
Next on the stage, we have Hafiz Muhammad, one of the most active students and the all-rounder of our kindergarten. Here comes a leader and a positive role model for the other students. Yes, it's Hina Fatima of UKGA. She is the real asset of our kindergarten. Now I call upon Jaza of UKGA. She is a very thoughtful girl and a good performer. Let's welcome Jaza onto the stage. Next on the stage, here is Hafiz Muhammad of UKGA, the most active student and the all-rounder of our kindergarten. Now on the stage, we have Laimi Amina, a girl who always keeps a smile on her face. Let's welcome Laimi.
Audience, put your hands together for the graduates of Floria International Senior Secondary School.
The artist of UKGA. He does colorful and interesting artworks. Yes, it's none other than Miaz Muhammad Ali on the stage. A boy who's blessed with a good handwriting and always follows the direction of well. Next, I welcome Mohammad Ishan of UKGA onto the stage to receive his certificates. Next on the stage, we have Mohammad Aman of UKGA. He is a good performer and always does the neat. Next on the stage, we have the valued member of our kindergarten. He is very honest and trustworthy. Yes, I welcome Mohammad Ashmil Shan of class UKGA onto the stage to receive his certificate.
Put your hands together for the graduates, please, audience.
Then I call upon Mohammad Hisham. He's a very kind and helpful to everyone. Let's welcome Mohammad Hisham onto the stage. Here is an amazing student who completes his work with a quality mind. Yes, that is Mohammad Hisham Munna. Let's welcome Mohammad Hisham Munna onto the stage.
These are our little talents, the future of our nation. Audience, please put your hands together for the graduates.
An energetic boy of UKGA. It's Mohammad Jasim. Yes, I welcome you onto the stage. Mohammad Jasim, please. Now we have Mohammad Razin of class UKGA. He is a very active and blessed with a good personality. Let's welcome Mohammad Razin onto the stage. Now I call upon Mohammad Shan of class UKGA. He is a very respectful and uses the time wisely. Let's welcome Mohammad Shan onto the stage. Next we have Mohammad Yasin. He has a very good attitude and he is an attentive listener. I welcome Yasin onto the stage.
These are our little graduates of the year 2018-19.
Next on the stage, we have Niba Zahrin, the dancer of UKGA. Let's welcome Niba Zahrin. She is a very brilliant and an outstanding performer of our kindergarten. Next, I call upon Nuha Azrin Mehri of UKGA. She is an outstanding student and she is a gem of class UKGA. Let's welcome Niha Azrin Mehri. Now on the stage, we have Saeed Muhammad Shamas, the most energetic and active all-rounder of UKGA class. Next, I welcome the smallest but brilliant girl of UKGA. Yes, that is Shazia Nazar on the stage. Let's welcome Shazia Nazar onto the stage. The great helper within the classroom. Yes, I am happy to call upon Shaza Anwara to the stage. She has a big heart and always a concern about others. Let's welcome Shaza Anwara onto the stage.
Audience, let us show our happiness of this graduate with a big round of applause, please.
A boy with a vibrant imagination and excels at creative writing. I welcome Zayan Mohammed onto the stage for receiving his certificates.
Next, we have on the stage an active, loving and an excellent performer of UKGB, Adil Muhammad KP.
Audience, please put your hands together for our graduates.
Now on the stage, then we have the charismatic and energetic boy who inspires others, Afnan Muhammad A. Then we have a cute and humble boy who never loses his charm, Amal Zayan. A cute kid with bubbly personality who always keeps a smile on her face, Amina Heza CK. Brilliant in academics and non-academics, who owns an innocent character, Aradhya V on the stage to receive her certificate.
Audience, please put your hands together because your claps make their day today. Please put your hands together for our little graduates.
An affectionate, well-mannered, pretty girl of UKGB, Fatima Minha KP. active face in class, curious and introspective, Ayan Chandra on the stage to receive her graduate certificate. Creative, thinks something new about what she encounters, which makes her excellent, Fatima Rishwa K.
Please put your hands together for our little graduates.
A kind and generous girl who is always pleasant and gives a pipe every time she smiles, Filza Mehrin. A versatile child who is excellent in multiple tasks, Faizan Mohammad TV on the stage to receive his graduate certificate.
On the stage we have Faizan Mohammed.
Next on the stage we have Hadi Amin, a brilliant and outstanding boy filled with energy. Audience, put your hands together for the graduates. Next on stage we have a Haibal Muhammad M, a tremendous performer not only in academics but in sports and arts as well.
Come on audience, put your hands together for our little graduates.
Next on the stage we have Haya Shahid PT, the imaginative, lively and strong-willed girl of UKG B on the stage to receive her certificate. Now we have Haibal Muhammad Madhav, an optimistic child who is a calm listener and energetic boy of UKG B. Now we have Muhammad Aman PA, a polite and humble boy who's polite towards everything he meets, whether it's animate or inanimate. Next on the stage we have a fantastic singer who excels both in academics and non-academics, Muhammad Fadin. Next on the stage, we have Muhammad Jizin CM, a cute and humorous boy who will never fail to put a smile on your face. We have Muhammad Jizin on the stage receiving his graduate certificate. Next we have Jul, a all-rounder excelling in studies, arts and sports, versatile indeed. Next on the stage, we have Muhammad Zayan, owner of an amiable personality and an understanding mind. Congratulations, Zayan. Next we have Muhammad Zian, the enthusiastic boy with leadership quality, receiving his graduate certificate.
Now we call upon Mr. Razak Haji to hand over the certificate. Sir, please.
Next we know that silence can speak more than voice. This silent little girl will conquer your hearts. Nazneen Aisha on the stage receiving her graduate certificate. Next we have Shayan Shakir, a very good performer of our kindergarten who is clever and energetic. Audience, put your hands together for the graduates. Next on the stage, we have another girl with leadership qualities and a potential, a well-talented little girl, Sheza Sharwa, receiving her graduate certificate.
We request Rubina ma'am and Dr. Abdurrahman sir to join the ceremony.
The name means the king of roses. Shehroz, indeed lovely as a rose. Next on the stage we have Tirtha P. Nambyar, curious by heart, intellectual by mind, here receiving her graduate certificate. Next on the stage we have Zenha Fatima, active and charming with words and actions. Now we have Izake, and a music girl, well, one of the best of the class. Next on the stage we have my Aisha Mariam, the little bud who blooms to spread energy and spirit of happiness. Now we have Fatima Minha KP, an affectionate and well-mannered pretty girl of UKGB receiving her graduate certificate. Ladies and gentlemen, here on the stage we have the graduates of the year 2018-19 who have received their graduate certificates.
Now, entering to the most beautiful session of the event, let's welcome Zayan Muhammad of UKGA onto the stage for graduation speech.
Vice Principal, teachers, guests, parents, and my dear friends, a warm good evening to you all. My name is Zayan Muhammad. It is a great pleasure to stand before you all to share some of the precious moments I had in Florian International Senior Secondary School. We learned letters, numbers, rhymes, stories, drawings, and coloring. We learned good manners. We attained self-confidence and communication skill. We went picnic, participated in arts and sports. I would like to thank my beloved teachers, caretakers, parents for adding colors to my life. I will never forget their love and care. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Zayan. That was the most beautiful thing happened today. Let's put a big round of applause for Mohammad Zayan, our little graduate of UKGA.
Audience, put your hands together again for congratulating all these graduates on the stage of the year 2018-19 of Floria International Senior Secondary School. This is Euphoria. For the attention of the class toppers, achievers and other students who are about to receive them and other winners of prizes, please report at the backstage immediately. The prize distribution ceremony will begin soon. A scout is well disciplined, the real model for every human being existing, because he or she knows what to do when anything unexpected happens.
Participants of karate are requested to assemble in the backstage immediately.
We also invite the Scout and Cub in charge, Mrs. Jafida and Mrs. Ramya, onto the stage for the official ceremony of the Scout and Cub team. For the official ceremony, we request our chief guest and other guests of honor and our principal and vice principal to the stage for the lighting ceremony. Scout and Cub team, which is the very first batch of Malappuram Central Sahodaya, joined by our guests and our chief guest with our principal and vice principal. Audience, put your hands together for the lamp lighting ceremony. And be prepared. The meaning of the motto is that a scout must prepare himself by previous thinking and practicing.
The following students are requested to assemble at the backstage immediately. Khadija Hana, Sidra Shafiq, Muhammad Rashdam K, Hadia Fatima, Shabana Hassan, Fatima Razana, Ashmil Shah Muhammad, Aisha Zuha, Fida Fatima, Muhammad Midlaj, Riza Afrin CK, Ishan PM, Zia P, Ania Abdul Rafiq, Insha Shukur, Fida Shirin, Fatima Sahla, Rafna AK, Fida Amina and Rana AK. Muhammad Yasir U, Niba CK, Muhammad Parvez Mukhtar, Ramzan TP, Naiha Naushad, Zain Shah, Muhammad Shahzad, Haya Fatima, Aman Hanif, Fatima Raja, Farsana Musafir, Lameh and Muhammad Finos CK.
Nobody is born a winner. To be a winner, one must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. Here we have the prize distribution ceremony. Let us call the toppers of the KG section. From LKG A, the best student, Haifa Jebin. Now on the stage, we have the class topper of UKG A, Hina Fatima CK, to receive her proficiency award. I request our chief guest, Mr. Majid Ideal, to hand over the prize. Sir, please. We have the class topper of UKGB, Haya Shahid PT, on the stage to receive her proficiency award. Congratulations, Hina, and congratulations, Haya, for winning.
We have Khadija Hana of first year to receive a proficiency award.
Now we have Shitra Shafiq from first B to receive her proficiency award.
Now on the stage we have Muhammad Rashdan K of second year to receive his proficiency award. Audience, please put your hands together for these winners.
Now I request Abdurrahman sir to hand over the prize for the winners.
Now on the stage we have Hadia Fatima of second P to receive proficiency award.
Audience, put your hands together. These are the class toppers for the year 2018-19 of our school.
Now on the stage, Shabana Hassan A of third year to receive proficiency award. Audience, please put your hands together for these winners. Next comes Fatima Razana CM of third B. Ashmil Shah Muhammad Palat of fourth year. Aisha Zuha KT of fourth B.
Now I request Mr. Naufal Putan Pediakal for the presentation of the award.
Now on the stage, Muhammad Midlachim of 4th C. Here comes Fida Fatima of 5th A. On the stage, Riza Afrin CK and Ishan PM of 5th B.
Next, I request Dr. Abdul Sakir to hand over the prize for the winners.
On the stage, Ishan PM of 5th B to receive his proficiency award. On the stage, Zia P of 6th A. Here comes Ania Abdul Rafiq of 6th B. Fida Shirin of 8th. Fatima Sahla of 9th.
Next on the stage, we have the class toppers of LKGA, Haifa Jebin on the stage receiving her proficiency award. Audience, put your hands together for this little talent. Next, we have Manpreet Bansi from LKGB receiving his proficiency award.
Fatima Sahla of 9th. Rafna AK of 10th A. Fida Amina of 10th B. And Rana AK of +2. Now here comes Sidra Shafiq of First P to receive Excellency Award for getting full marks in all subjects in Annual Examination 2019. We would like to award the cash prize for this little tiny tot for her great performance. Once again, let's put our hands together for Sidra Shafiq of First P for scoring full marks in all subjects of Annual Examination 2019. On the stage, Rana AK of +2 for receiving her Proficiency Award.
For the attention of the Floria Talent Search Examination student winners, you are requested to report at the backstage immediately.
On the stage, Fida Amina of 10th to receive Proficiency Award. All the FTSE winners are requested to assemble in the backstage immediately. For the kind attention of all the students,
Now on the stage, we have Fida Amina receiving her Proficiency Award for the year 2018-19. Thank you, sir. Here ends the prize distribution ceremony for the class toppers. Next, we have the prize distribution ceremony for the Islamic final examination of 2018-19. The third place is secured by Fatima Ahsana KA. The second place is secured by Shadia PP. And the first place is secured by Fida Sharin CK.
first we have Neha Naushad of under 10 category. Neha Naushad, please come on to the stage.
Shiv Award for under 10 category. Next, we move on to the Karate Belt Distribution Ceremony of Floria International Senior Secondary School.
Energy and persistence conquer all things. To give energy and enhance the development of mental and physical strength of our Florians, our karate team worked hard. We welcome our karate master, Mr. Shihan Siddiq, the international karate referee. Please, sir.
And we request our guests to join the event of the belt distribution ceremony. First, we have the yellow belt won by Jisna KP of 4th A.
Next, we have Muhammad Shabil TP of 6th standard to receive yellow belt.
Then we have Aisha Misriya K of 5th B receiving the yellow belt.
Next, we have Fatima Hiba A of 6th standard to receive her yellow belt.
We request Engineer Muhammad Ali sir to hand over the prize.
Fatima Hiba of 6th receiving her yellow belt. Next, we have Muhammad Lazim MA of 4th standard to receive yellow belt, and Muhammad Fanous P of 5th standard, Shaza Jihan KM of 4th, Asrida MP of 4th B, Rihan Amin P of 4th, Muhammad Amnish T of 4th C, Muhammad Sinan C of 4th C, Shamil Zain of 4th C, Barsa C of 4th B, Khidas Nasim of 4th A, Aman Haider A of 4th A, Muhammad Rishal MK of 4th,
Riza Fatima P of 4th A.
Raida T of 4th B,
Danuj K of 4th B.
Shamim E of 5th A, Nazal Ahmad PK of 4th A, Roshna Sharin of 4th A, Ashif Hamza KV of 6th, Sankamitra of 4th. Amin Muhammad KP of 4th C, Muhammad Tazim of 5th standard, Muhammad Shamas T of 4th C, Muhammad Rafit M of 4th standard. Audience, please put your hands together for these little champions.
For the attention of 1st and 2nd standard students, you are requested to move to the canteen. first and second standard students, you are requested to move to the canteen for food.
Now we call upon Rubina ma'am to award these belts. Ma'am, please. Riza Fatima P of 4th A. Muhammad Afham KP of 4th B. Aisha Noora A of 4th standard. Aisha Zuha KT of 4th B. Muhammad Isnad M of 4th A.
Audience, please put your hands together
Hadi
for this
Muhammad
karate
of-
kids.
Hadi Muhammad of 4th B. Sona KP of 4th B.
Next, we have the distribution of orange belt.
Muhammad Arshak M of 5th B. Ishan PM of 5th B. Nuba Zahrin of 5th standard. Aisha Minha P of 5th B. Aisha Haiba M of 5th B. Arafa Pandikadan of 6th A. Muhammad Rishan KP of 5th B. Ihjaz Muhammad of 5th A. Raisha Kadur of 5th B. Have the distribution of blue blood.
We have the green belt. Insha Shukur P of 7th A. Surya K of 7th. Amit Kumar of 7th. Here NC Karate belt distribution ceremony. Congratulations. Now here we have the best achiever of 2018-19.